Making a shoebox cake. Fill and stack your cake. Trim the edges so that they are even. Use plastic wrap for easy cleanup of cake scraps. Frost the top of your cake and flip upside down onto parchment paper or silicone mat. Crumb coat the sides of your cake and chill in the freezer. Cut modeling chocolate into panels slightly larger than the sides of your cake. Apply the panels to the sides of your cake. Using the heat from your hand and a fondant smoother. Trim the excess chocolate for smooth corners and edges. Place your cake upside down on modeling chocolate the color of your lid. Form a rectangle for the lid that measures 1 inch wide from each side of your cake. Cut a square at each of the 4 corners of your lid. Fold up the 4 flaps of your lid to the sides of your cake. Attach your cake board to the bottom of your cake using frosting or tape. Be sure to center your cake on your board. For cracks in your chocolate, use the heat from your fingers and a fondant smoother to repair. You're all done and ready to decorate. Watch my vid on how to make a chocolate shoe.